Is it recording?
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hi guys! Ew, my arms jiggle. Hi guys, it's Alice here, and today I have a very special guest. Okay, well, he's not that special. I have a very ordinary guest. Hurry up!
Sorry. That's some intro.
Keanu.
Hey guys, I'm back. For like the 5th video in a row. You might have seen me in all of Alice's vlogs.
My Q&As.
And
yeah,
Q&As.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the boyfriend does my makeup thingy, but like, because we're both single as fuck. My best guy friend does my makeup. What look do you have in mind?
See, okay, originally I thought that she's gonna do makeup on me today. So I was like, let's see how this goes. So I wasn't thinking about anything. I'm gonna envision like a very...
Don't show my thigh.
I always dig this on girls, like a very light, like smoky, like eyeshadow effect.
Oh, you're gonna do a smoky eye?
Yeah,
okay, you're gonna
like,
go advanced.
Like, is that
no,
advanced?
Not really, but kinda.
Okay.
You have to be good at blending. What color?
Hmm.
So like my face.
Purple. Dairy.
And we have another one of our friends that's like
Hello.
gonna be commentating.
Purple does look good. Let me see what.
Wait, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Richard. Come here. Just to show your face.
Hi.
Okay.
You lazy bitch.
I have all my makeup sprawled out here.
Oh shit. So we're not endorsing this. This is Smashbox.
Don't.
And it's
so broken.
literally smashed.
Okay, so I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna let you do anything to my face. What are you gonna do first?
Oh fuck. Well, for starters, I know you have to put on foundation.
Okay, just do
For
it.
sure. This is gonna be a long ass
Well, don't
video.
use that, because
Oh,
that's
okay.
like my expensive one.
Okay.
Well, you can use some if you want, but...
I don't know how to use it, so it'd be best if I probably did not. Damn. I got this on AliExpress. Yup.
What was that? Was that your speaker?
You just farted. That's
My bad.
I don't watch enough YouTube.
It's okay.
Oh
God!
I'm gonna work with a nice, beautiful palette.
Oh my god. You're just putting on my face directly.
This is not how you're supposed to do it.
Just it's okay. I'm not gonna say it.
It's funnier if I don't know, isn't it? This one you use? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you wet it?
I would it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Shit, she came really prepared. See?
I feel my skin. And I know you see it too. It's like all jiggling.
I mean, a purple blended.
You're actually gonna do purple?
Yeah, we're gonna do purple. Richard inspired me.
I'm so sorry.
You gotta make it good.
I am so sorry.
You're so like gentle.
I
I pound my face.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, squeeze it.
Oh. Now we're getting some cover.
What were you
I have,
doing?
like pimples on my face though, but
I thought you're supposed to use those little dots, you know? You might want to close your eye a little bit. Just.
you're gonna put it on my. Okay. Ooh, I'm getting sweaty. Go.
It's sweaty.
A little stain right here.
I do?
A tinge bit brown. That's okay. It looks natural.
I think it's
looks
just my
like
face.
natural brown.
It's just the discoloration.
Gonna conceal your mustache.
This is taking so.
I want to learn how to do. Oh.
No, yeah. Putting eyelashes and like. Why are you laughing?
If you ever see me in person, I'm drawing. I'm just like.
I know. No.
It's because I'm like trying to
Yeah.
envision how.
It's like when you feed me too, you're like.
I don't know what to call it. I'm like, oh, you know, bend your upper lip upper
Bend, bend your upper lip.
bend your upper lip forward so I can like dab over your mustache. But instead, I'm just like, do this.
Ew. Are you done?
You know.
Okay, what's next?
Okay. Concealer. Cool. We might need that. I know this one because someone's here. Little baby, right here.
That's why Kira's gonna be here.
Okay.
House crawled in.
It's such like a little nimble tip here.
Oh. There's a little in that, so like if you squeeze it, like you have to squeeze it a lot, but if you squeeze it too hard, it's gonna like squirt.
Oh, okay. So I don't know how far to squeeze.
You have to squeeze like at the tip. I feel like it's like it sucks when someone like uses concealer to cover up your blemishes, cause like I know exactly which ones he's covering up right now.
It's like, you know, the longer you stare at something, the more things you notice about it. That kind of
Well,
thing.
that makes me feel less insecure.
Well, no one's gonna be like.
You know, the amount of times I got like showered.
Showered by what?
Your spit. It's like the finishing spray.
Me going.
Oh! Ah!
if this were
Oh,
me,
yeah.
and then like if you made me laugh, like
Richard.
Keep going.
no, Richard, that's gonna fall.
Keep going.
Richard.
That's gonna fall.
I'm literally barely touching it.
Whose house is this?
So we just had to move locations because it's getting really dark. I don't wanna live forever.
You know what? Well, I'm just gonna pour it onto the lid portion.
Do you want to show what you're doing?
So I like put it on the lid. I don't know how to do this.
That's a lot.
You said you could put what?
That's a lot. Okay, wait. Show us. I want them to see.
Are you ready? You're just gonna like.
Are you ready?
Like over here. Alright, you might. Yeah, this is a bad idea to wear black. Get the apples of your cheeks. you sneeze all the powder off. You can taste the powder.
Well, now I know how it tastes. Yeah.
You know, I'm just gonna finish up the little amount I already put there. We getting chunky up there.
Little?
I feel like I've been neglecting this. Richard, you sitting there laughing as if like you didn't know what to be doing in this spot either. She was like ghosting it the whole time. Well, okay,
Okay.
am I anywhere near like the amount you put on?
Yeah, you're way past.
Oh, fuck. Okay,
Way
cool.
past.
Am I anywhere near like the amount you put on?
Let's stop while I'm ahead.
Is that a pube?
If you guys don't know what they are, they're these cute like white hippo things.
It's not supposed to be that light though.
I know, but
Oh.
I'm just
This is light.
I'm just sketching it. I found one on like the inside of my eyelids. Like, what is that? I was like,
Oh yeah, you have to match it because
Yeah.
you don't want it wonky.
remember, you're gonna look like
Unrelated
fiddlesticks.
sister. What the heck?
Yeah, they're definitely adopted.
Just smile. No, yeah. Yeah.
No, that was a good. She's like, yeah.
Cause like you're about to go inside like.
Pause it for now. Yeah.
No, Alice, come forward to the camera and show your face.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Ooh, this is sharp. Ooh, okay.
Okay.
Use this one next.
Other side.
Can you see
Yeah,
it?
you can see it.
Okay.
Oh fuck.
What did you do? Alice, come to the camera. Come to the camera. Oh fuck.
You so fucking precious when you smile.
Oh god, it tickle. It tickle.
All right, open.
What?
Come to the camera.
What?
Your
I'm
eyes?
scared to go to a barber and ask him a salad because I'm not sure what to ask for.
A salad?
Ask him to style it.
I heard that too.
Yeah, I was like, I'm scared to go to the barber and ask for a salad.
Yeah,
I'm
they're
like,
probably gonna laugh at you for asking
yeah,
for a
you
salad.
should be scared.
Look, can we just stop patronizing me on how I take
No,
my
I'm not.
sweet
I'm
ass?
just- I'm
Okay, well he doesn't know.
You would do the same thing.
I don't care if you're meticulous. I'm just saying this is gonna be a long episode.
I hate that word so much
Meticulous. Meticulous.
because that was the word I lost the spelling bee.
Who did you lose to?
You were in a
No,
spelling bee?
yeah, I was.
You're a fucking nerd.
Dude, I got so nervous. I was like, M.A.
Is it M-E?
Yeah.
Oh. Meticulous!
Because that's how she said it. She was like, meticulous. I hate when people ask for a definition like that's gonna help.
Right?
Yeah.
I just thought
Can
that.
you use it in a sentence?
I'm like, okay, I know the reason why people ask for it so they can
Do you have
find
more
like,
time?
No, well
Oh.
that and then to add like, oh, what's the origin root? Because then depending on what.
Okay, but we're in
country it's
4th grade.
from- I remember in 5th grade, I fucking lost. Guess what my word was? I lost to.
Dog.
Cat.
Number, you're a bitch. Number 2, what the fuck? So, yeah,
You would.
School.
K-A-T.
No, spelling. Spelling.
S-K-O-L.
spelling for my word, it was handkerchief.
Oh, well that makes sense, yeah.
Cause
Because you didn't get the D.
yeah, I didn't get the D. Where's
Oh,
my
and
handkerchief?
same with raspberry because we're playing cranium.
Oh, the brain game.
Yeah, and then like one of the
Yeah.
words was spell raspberry. I was like, oh, I got the spelling. I'm good at spelling. I didn't spell it with a P.
Wait, isn't it with
It's
the
R-A-S-P. R-A-S-P. Yeah,
What's
rasp.
a B?
It's raspberry.
Oh, there's a
R-A-S-P.
P
Yeah,
and a
I didn't
B?
know that.
We can
Oh
use
God,
this.
oh
My
God, oh
fucking
God.
heart brain is broke. It's only a little bit, don't worry.
Okay?
No, because he just said something really to be small.
calm down. I don't know what number it is, but we're using this
Doesn't matter.
pretty ass lavender color.
Okay, so time for the reveal.
I think you'll think it looks hideous.
Oh, what?
I think you'll think it looks bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah! I'm scared. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
Well, the eyeshadow, huh?
God damn! You weren't kidding when you were talking about the drag makeup. I mean, like, honestly.
The concept is there,
Oh god.
but I did nail your eyebrow though. I'm pretty proud.
Oh yeah. You got my
For the
eyebrows
most
on
part,
fleek.
yeah, for the most part. I don't know what happened to your lips though, so I was just like, well, it's there. What would you grade me for this?
A 6 out of 10.
A 6 out of 10?
Yeah.
That's a 60. I still pass.
Okay.
Not in college.
Not in college, but in high school. This is beauty makeup high school.
I'm just kidding. You did it at 10 out of 10. Good job. Yay! This is the finished look. Thank you so much for ruining my face. I'm just kidding. I love you.
It's because we're on
Thank you for watching. Okay, well, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.